Hello everybody, it's a huge pleasure to announce that I am starting a new series on amazing world of crystals and healing stones. Have you ever thought that your life has lost the excitement and passion? Are you thinking that you don't have that enthusiasm in your life? Do you need some kind of boost for self-esteem and self-confidence to achieve what you truly desire? Dear friends, nature has given us some very easily available resources with special healing properties. For example, the huge varieties of crystals. We can easily use this nature's bounty to bring back the balance to our life. And since crystals have memory storage abilities, we can program them also as per our requirements. They can heal and support us to bring back our physical or emotional balance. When you are feeling stuck in your thoughts, there is a crystal which can help to connect you with your heart chakra where your passion flourishes. I'm going to talk about some of the important crystals to begin with. And the first crystal which is in my list is, for the beginner, is Carnelian. It comes in color range of orange or reddish brown. The meaning of carnelian is energy and creativity. Carnelian is a very good stone for concentration and focus. It helps in bringing clarity of mind for making better decisions to handle indecisiveness. And that's what we need to start anything. Once we have our full clarity of mind, we can put our heart and soul into achieving whatever we are dreaming of. It improves analytical abilities and is good for bringing stability in everything you do. It helps in boosting your confidence and self-esteem to motivate you for success. It also works in getting relief from depression and self-hate. And it also balances the sacral chakra. Carnelian is a very good stone for those who are having problem in doing meditation. Hold set of 2 carnelian tumble stones when next time you are trying to do meditation, and you will surely feel the difference. Carnelians are stones of action that will give you the courage and confidence to move forward on a new path in life. This powerful stone stimulates ambition and drive and has a great impact to boost your creative gifts. If you know you need inspiration to move your life forward in a new direction, use these powerful stones. It kindles feelings of joy and warmth and will enhance your concentration and focus. These orange crystals have a strong energy to boost your creativity and may assist you to find creative solutions to handle the difficult situations. They may help you to release jealousy, envy, anger, self-hate, or rage, and bring a calming energy to replace these negative feelings. Carnelian is said to attract prosperity, new resources, and good luck. It is a talisman for success in any money-making venture. In the workplace, it is a crystal of ambition, drive, and determination, and wards off undue pressures of co-workers and unrealistic expectations. Carnelian is full of life force and vitality. It stimulates metabolism. It activates the base or root chakra, influencing the female reproductive organs and increases fertility. It helps in healing lower back problems, rheumatism, arthritis, and depression. Carnelian improves the absorption of vitamins and minerals and ensures a good supply of blood to organs and tissues. It activates our root chakra and cleans other stones also. Now the big question, how to use them for the best benefits? So I always recommend to have a set of 2 medium-sized tumble carnelian stones that are easier to hold in your hands. 2 stones to balance our left and right brain. To program these stones, please make some positive affirmations in present tense and write them down on a paper. Preferably try to make short and crisp affirmations. Now take these crystals and hold them on your third eye and say your affirmations. For example, I can concentrate and focus easily now. I am determined now, etc. And after you finish your affirmations, to save these positive thoughts into these stones, say 3 times, stabilize, stabilize, stabilize. Please remember, left hand is to receive energy from the universe and right hand is to give back. All you need is to surrender to these stones first. Surrender to receive and give. Now hold your carnelians with the intentions of receiving the energy for better concentration and focus with left hand and releasing your anger, envy, laziness, self-hate and indecisiveness with your right hand. Please hold them for a few minutes every day. Feel the warm energy to balance your body and mind. And please use them regularly and especially at times when you are about to take some very important decisions. Enjoy the presence of these stones and make your life better. See you soon with yet another episode of Healing Crystal in our next video. Until then, please take a very good care of yourself. Namaste.